Hello everybody, welcome to another makeup video, which is going to be a light makeup which you can all use it whenever you want to. So I start with a BB cream because I don't want a high cover. A low cover is enough for this makeup. Then with a wet brush I blend them all together. In this case you can even make it look lighter. I use a low cover concealer because, as I told you, I want it to be as light as possible. So I just use it for under my eyes and not gonna use it for my face or other things. I wouldn't blend it till my eyes because it probably makes it look unnatural, and I told you I don't like that. And there's a little trick when you can use your fingers for blending the concealer under your eyes because your fingers are warm and make it look natural. I lift my eyebrows with a brow soap, and don't forget to use a wet brush for this either. It helps it to lift better. And just like always, I use my favorite product for eyebrows, which is the brow shadow. And I can fill my eyebrows easily. With the same brush that I use for my eyebrows, I use it for my eyeshadow, and I just draw a line on my crease line and I blend it to my eyes. The color is up to you, but I use a dark brown which has pink undertone. I use a wet concealer because I want to have a cut crease here, and I blend it with the same brush. And because the concealer is wet, we're gonna fix it with some powder. So I use my pancake, which hasn't got any color, so it was completely useful for this. Finger is the best brush. So I use my finger again for the eyeshadow, and I use a shiny, beautiful pink. These neon eyeshadows are my new favorite products, so be ready to see them in every makeup videos. I use it as an eyeliner, and I use the pink one, which suits my eyeshadow. And my favorite mascara, Essence, which you can see how I'm using it, right? As I told you before, it's gonna be a light makeup, so I don't like to use a contour. I just want to use a bronzer to just make my face look a little bit warmer. And the new trend of 2022 is using less contour as possible, so I think bronzer is the best choice. Don't forget your jaw. I know we are not contouring, but we're gonna use some bronzer for it. And don't forget the nose. I told you we're not contouring it, but in this case we make it more natural because we have used this bronzer for the face, so we obviously have to use it for nose too. And now my favorite color of blush, which is pink, and which suits our eyeshadows obviously. I wanted to use a matte pink lipstick, but then I decided that I like nude lipsticks more, so I'm using a nude lip gloss which is shiny, and I'm blending it with my finger. You can use a brush if you want to, it's up to you. So this is a light gorgeous makeup which you can wear anywhere you want to, it's easy. And don't forget guys to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Love you all and have a nice day.